Welcome to Kactus2. Kactus2 is a toolset for designing system-on-chips, providing easier IP reusability and integration for both hardware and software using the IP-XACT standard. Kactus2 supports both the 1685-2014 and 1685-2022 versions of the standard. With Kactus2, you can create new IP-XACT documents using the provided guidelines. If you have any pre-existing files you would like to use for the documents, you can use the file importer, which accepts Verilog and VHDL files. Any details that have not been finished can be edited in the extensive editors of Kactus2. The IP-XACT components can be inserted into designs. A single component can be instantiated in multiple places. The instances can then be connected using the tools of Kactus2. You can also create a placeholder component using the draft tool, and insert bus interfaces inside it. The placeholder items behave like regular items in the design editor. You can also replace an existing component with a new one. Using these tools, it is possible to create multilevel designs. We can then look at the memory designer of Kactus2 to make sure that the memory structure of our design is correct. It is also possible to jump straight to the desired item if it needs editing. Integration of hardware and software is implemented in Kactus2 through extensions to the IP-XACT. Software components can be packaged to IP-XACT components and mapped to hardware. Kactus2 features a list of plugins for generating different files. This is the Verilog generator, which creates a Verilog file for the currently active design. Manually constructing or making changes to this file would take some time, but with Kactus2, we can simply change the items for the generator. After the generation is complete, we can find the created Verilog file in our project folder. This design is the basis for our headsail chip. All of these components have been defined in Kactus2, and many of them contain hierarchical designs. This has been a brief introduction to the different editors of Kactus2. Thank you for watching. For more information on any given subject in this video, please see the corresponding tutorials, or visit our GitHub page.